Yo, what's up everybody? It's Info Expos and welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into the world of military tech. Buckle up because we're about to explore some jaw-dropping innovations from the US, Russia, China and North Korea. From stealth fighters that seem to disappear from radar to hypersonic missiles that travel at unimaginable speeds, we're breaking down the tech behind these military marvels. We'll be looking at what makes them tick, how much they cost to develop and deploy, and the kind of tactical advantage they bring to the battlefield. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the future of warfare. We'll also be asking the tough questions. Are these advancements making the world a safer place or pushing us closer to the brink? Stick around to the end because I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. First up, the US stealth powerhouse. Imagine a plane so sneaky it's like a ninja in the sky. Let's uncover the secrets of America's stealth technology. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 Lightning II is designed to be the ultimate multi-role fighter jet, meaning it can handle air-to-air combat, ground attacks, and even electronic warfare. But what makes the F-35 truly next level is its stealth technology. We're talking about a jet that's designed to evade even the most advanced radar systems. Its shape, materials, and internal weapon bays all work together to minimize its radar signature, making it incredibly difficult for enemies to detect. And it's not just about being invisible. The F-35 is packed with sensors and systems that give its pilot an unprecedented level of situational awareness. Next, we have the silent hunters of the deep. These submarines are like the sharks of the ocean, lurking beneath the waves. Let's dive in and see what makes them so deadly. The Virginia-class submarine is a true behemoth of the deep and a cornerstone of the US Navy's submarine fleet. These nuclear-powered submarines are designed for stealth, endurance, and firepower, making them a formidable force in modern naval warfare. One of the key features of the Virginia class is its advanced sonar system. This is a highly sophisticated system that uses sound waves to create a detailed picture of the underwater environment. It can detect other submarines, ships, and even underwater mines from incredible distances, giving the Virginia class a significant tactical advantage. And when it comes to firepower, the Virginia class doesn't disappoint. It's armed with Tomahawk cruise missiles, which can strike targets on land with pinpoint accuracy from over 1,000 miles away. Now let's talk about the drone that changed warfare. These flying robots are like something out of a sci-fi movie. Let's see how they're revolutionizing the battlefield. Developed by General Atomics, the MQ-9 Reaper is a remotely piloted aircraft, or RPA, that has transformed the way the US conducts military operations. What makes the Reaper stand out is its incredible endurance. This drone can stay airborne for over 27 hours, covering vast distances and providing continuous surveillance over battlefields. And the Reaper isn't just about watching, it's also armed and dangerous. This drone can carry a variety of precision-guided munitions, including Hellfire missiles and GBU-38 bombs. This means it can take out enemy targets with incredible accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. And here's the thing about drones like the Reaper, they're significantly cheaper to operate than traditional fighter jets. Russia's missile defense powerhouse is up next. Think of it as a giant shield protecting the country. Let's find out how it works. Russia is known for its formidable military capabilities. The S-400 Triumph missile system commands global attention. It's Russia's answer to stealth aircraft and cruise missiles. The S-400 targets aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. Its range is up to 250 miles. It can track multiple targets and launch missiles at Mach 14. Chapter 6. Russia's answer to the stealth fighter is here. It's like a cat-and-mouse game in the sky. While the US leads with the F-35, Russia's Su-57 is keeping up with stealth technology. The Su-57 is designed to match the best with unique capabilities. It's a multi-role fighter engaging both air and ground targets. Combining stealth, super maneuverability, and supersonic speed, it's a formidable opponent. Its emphasis on maneuverability sets it apart. The Su-57 is incredibly agile, performing maneuvers that outclass others. Chapter 7. The future of tank warfare is now. Imagine tanks that are faster, stronger, and smarter. The T-14 Armata, Russia's next-generation main battle tank, is leading the charge. Designed for the 21st century, it incorporates cutting-edge technology. Its unmanned turret is a standout feature. The crew operates from a heavily armored capsule in the front hull. Armed with a 125mm smoothbore gun, it can fire conventional rounds and anti-tank missiles. Plus, it has a remote-controlled 12.7mm machine gun for engaging infantry. Now let's turn our attention to China, a country that has been rapidly modernizing its military in recent years. And one of the most talked about weapons in China's arsenal is the DF-17. a hypersonic missile that has sent shockwaves through the defense establishments of the United States and its allies. Hypersonic missiles are a game changer in warfare because they travel at speeds of Mach 5 or higher, making them incredibly difficult to intercept. The DF-17 takes this to the next level, reportedly reaching speeds of up to Mach 10, which is 10 times the speed of sound. But the DF-17 isn't just about raw speed, it's also highly maneuverable during flight. These missiles are like lightning bolts, changing the rules of warfare by making it even harder for enemy air defenses to track and target. The future of warfare is here, with robots and AI taking over the battlefield. Leading this charge are AI-driven swarm drones. Imagine a swarm of hundreds or even thousands of small, inexpensive drones, all working together like a hive mind, coordinating their movements and attacks with deadly precision. These drones are designed to be highly autonomous, meaning they can operate independently without constant human control. They use artificial intelligence, or AI, to navigate, identify targets, and make decisions on the battlefield. One of the key advantages of swarm drones is their sheer numbers. Even if individual drones are relatively fragile, their collective power lies in their ability to overwhelm enemy defenses. Another advantage is their cost-effectiveness. Compared to the cost of a single advanced fighter jet, you can build and deploy a whole swarm of drones for a fraction of the price. China's naval powerhouse is making waves. These ships are like floating fortresses. Let's see what makes them so powerful. The Type 055 destroyer stands out as a symbol of China's growing maritime ambitions. It's the largest and most capable surface combatant, designed to project power far beyond its shores and challenge the US Navy's dominance at sea. The Type 055 is a guided missile destroyer, meaning it's packed with a variety of missiles for engaging enemy ships, aircraft, and even land targets. It has 112 vertical launch cells that can fire a range of missiles, including anti-ship, anti-air, and land attack cruise missiles. But the Type 055 isn't just about offensive firepower. It's also equipped with advanced sensors and systems for air defense and electronic warfare. The Type 055 destroyer is a clear indication of China's ambition to become a global naval power. North Korea's nuclear weapons program often grabs global attention. The Hwasong-17 intercontinental ballistic missile, or ICBM, is a significant development, highlighting North Korea's ambition to create missiles capable of reaching the United States. The Hwasong-17 is North Korea's largest ICBM, with an estimated range of over 8,000 miles, potentially putting the entire continental United States within its reach. This missile is liquid-fueled, which means it takes longer to prepare for launch compared to solid-fueled missiles, but it can potentially travel further. North Korea asserts that the Hwasong-17 can carry multiple nuclear warheads, complicating efforts for enemy defenses to intercept it. However, the accuracy and reliability of the Hwasong-17 remain uncertain, with some experts questioning its effectiveness. The development of the Hwasong-17 has faced widespread international condemnation, escalating tensions on the Korean peninsula. While North Korea's nuclear weapons program often grabs headlines, it's crucial to recognize the country's vast and formidable arsenal of conventional weapons, particularly artillery and rocket systems. These weapons pose a significant threat to South Korea, and they are a constant reminder of the fragile peace that exists on the Korean peninsula. North Korea has thousands of artillery pieces and rocket launchers deployed along its border with South Korea, many of them within range of Seoul, the South Korean capital. These weapons are capable of unleashing a devastating barrage of fire on military targets and civilian populations. One of the most concerning aspects of North Korea's artillery force is its sheer size. They have amassed a massive amount of artillery pieces, many of them Cold War-era systems, but they still pose a significant threat due to their sheer numbers. The tension in the region remains high, with the potential for conflict always looming. The invisible battlefield is a new frontier. Cyber warfare is like a digital chess game. Cyber warfare, the use of digital attacks to disrupt or disable an enemy's computer systems, has become an increasingly important aspect of modern conflict. And all four countries we've discussed today are actively engaged in developing their cyber warfare capabilities. Cyber attacks can take many forms, from disrupting communication networks to infiltrating critical infrastructure systems like power grids and financial institutions. The goal is to sow chaos, disrupt operations, and gain a strategic advantage. As we become increasingly reliant on technology, cyber warfare is only going to become a more significant threat. From stealth fighters to hypersonic missiles, from AI-driven drones to cyber warfare, the military technologies we've explored today paint a picture of rapid innovation in the field of warfare. These advancements reflect the strategic ambitions and perceived threats of the nations that develop them. While they undoubtedly enhance defense and deterrence capabilities, they also raise important questions about global security. The high costs associated with these technologies can exacerbate economic disparities and divert resources from pressing social issues. Moreover, the potential for misuse or escalation of conflict cannot be ignored. In a world already grappling with numerous challenges, the proliferation of advanced military technologies presents both opportunities and risks. Innovation or instability? That's the big question. Let's explore the fine line between groundbreaking tech and potential chaos.